So once you have the preview, this preview is copied to the clipboard. Once it is in the clipboard, you can always come back to your main screen and simply click on Generate Report. So once you click on Generate Report, it will ask what are the sections in the report what you want to see, because it's a bioval scan. If it's Ayurveda report, there will be no sections, the reports will be shown directly. You can choose whatever sections you want, or you can simply select Generate. And this generation of report is completely offline. You don't require internet connections for this, because this is the data which is already stored in your system. So this is how you're going to use the patient archive button, which gives you all the necessary informations about the patient's interpretation which have been done. In the same patient's archive button, if you have some patients whom who have multiple scans, for whom multiple scans have been taken. Let's take an example like this. So here you see we have multiple scans taken for the patient. In that case, you can select any scan and set it as report 1, and you can select one more scan and set it as report 2. And once you have report 1 and report 2 set, you can simply click on compare reports. So when you say compare reports, this is going to take you to a dedicated GPT where you have to paste the details what this software gives, and then you can generate a compare report from this application.